Welcome to our channel Autodrive. The USS Delbert D. Black, DDG-119, is one of the latest additions to the United States Navy's Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyers, a fleet that has defined modern naval power for decades. Named in honor of Delbert D. Black, the first Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy, this ship embodies not only technological innovation but also the values of leadership, professionalism, and dedication that Black represented. From its sleek hull to its advanced combat systems, the Delbert D. Black is a floating powerhouse capable of handling multiple types of threats in a variety of operational scenarios. At first glance, the ship impresses with its clean, angular lines designed to reduce its radar cross-section, a feature known as stealth shaping. While destroyers are inherently large and visible from afar, the Arleigh Burke-class uses clever design techniques to make them harder to detect by enemy radar, an essential feature in modern naval warfare. The hull is approximately 510 feet long and displaces over 9,000 tons, giving it the stability and volume to carry advanced sensors, missiles, and crew facilities, yet its hydrodynamic design allows for exceptional maneuverability. The combination of steel and aluminum alloys used in the superstructure optimizes strength while keeping the weight low, balancing durability with speed and fuel efficiency. Powering the ship are four General Electric LM2500 gas turbines that deliver a combined 100,000 horsepower. This propulsion system enables the destroyer to reach speeds exceeding 30 knots, meaning it can quickly respond to threats or join carrier strike groups in complex operations. Its range is nearly 4,400 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 20 knots, allowing for sustained missions without frequent refueling. Additionally, the ship is equipped with advanced maneuvering thrusters and a controllable pitch propeller system that allow precise handling in congested waters, making it just as comfortable navigating narrow straits as it is patrolling open oceans. Central to the Delbert D. Black's combat capability is the Aegis Combat System, one of the most sophisticated integrated naval combat systems in the world. At its core is the SPY-1D radar, a multifunction phased array radar capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously in the air, on the surface, and even underwater with integrated sonar systems. This radar feeds data to the ship's Combat Information Center, allowing operators to make real-time decisions, prioritize threats, and deploy weapons with remarkable speed. The vertical launch system, which houses 96 missile cells, provides flexibility for a wide variety of missions. The ship can launch Tomahawk cruise missiles for long-range strikes, Standard missiles, SM-2, SM-6 for advanced air defense, and evolved Sea Sparrow missiles for shorter-range engagements. This layered missile capability allows the destroyer to act as both a shield and a sword in naval operations. The USS Delbert D. Black is equally capable in anti-submarine warfare. Equipped with the AN/SQQ-89V sonar suite, the ship can detect, track, and engage submarines at significant distances. It also carries Mk-46 torpedoes for close-range underwater threats. Complementing these systems is the ability to operate MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, which can conduct extended reconnaissance, anti-submarine missions, and search and rescue operations far beyond the ship's immediate reach. This combination of ship-based and airborne sensors and weapons provides multi-layered coverage against stealthy undersea threats, which are among the most challenging challenges in modern naval combat. For surface warfare, the Delbert D. Black employs a 5-inch, 62 caliber Mk-45 gun capable of engaging surface targets, shore installations, and providing naval gunfire support for troops ashore. For close-in defense against missiles, small boats, or aircraft, the ship relies on the Phalanx Close-in Weapon System (CIWS) and .50 caliber machine guns. Together, these systems create a layered, integrated defense network capable of countering a wide spectrum of threats. This multi-domain approach, air, surface, and underwater, makes the ship highly adaptable to evolving threats in complex maritime environments. The destroyer also excels in electronic warfare and intelligence gathering. The ship carries the AN/SLQ-32V electronic warfare suite, which can detect, jam, or deceive enemy radars and missile systems. This capability allows the ship to operate in contested environments while reducing its own risk of detection and targeting. In modern warfare, where information and electronic superiority are just as important as firepower, these systems give the Delbert D. Black a crucial edge. Inside, the destroyer balances cutting-edge technology with crew comfort. It can accommodate around 330 sailors, including officers and enlisted personnel. Living quarters are designed for long deployments, with improved climate control, automated systems, and efficient space utilization. Automation reduces manual tasks, allowing sailors to focus on operational duties without being overburdened by routine shipboard labor. The Combat Information Center, often described as the nerve center of the ship, integrates data from radar, sonar, communications, and weapons systems, giving officers a clear, real-time picture of the battlespace. This situational awareness is critical in fast-paced combat scenarios, where decisions must be made in seconds. The ship's survivability is another key strength. The design includes redundant power, communications, and navigation systems, ensuring that it can continue operating even if part of the ship is damaged. Compartmentalization and advanced damage control systems enhance its resilience in combat or in harsh environmental conditions. In essence, the Delbert D. Black is built to continue its mission even under extreme pressure, embodying the Navy's philosophy of fight, survive, and win. From a historical and strategic perspective, the Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, including the Delbert D. Black, have been the backbone of the U.S. Navy's surface fleet since the 1990s. They were designed during a period when naval threats were diversifying, from ballistic missiles to stealthy submarines, and they have continuously evolved to meet these challenges. DDG-119 represents one of the latest iterations, featuring improvements in radar, stealth, electronic warfare, and crew systems over earlier ships in the class. It is not only a product of decades of experience but also a forward-looking platform capable of integrating future technologies as they emerge. A unique selling point of the Delbert D. Black is its versatility. It is capable of air defense, anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare, strike operations, ballistic missile defense, intelligence gathering, and humanitarian missions. This multi-role capability allows the Navy to deploy the ship in a wide variety of missions, from protecting aircraft carriers and amphibious ships to patrolling contested regions, conducting counter-piracy operations, or responding to natural disasters. Its presence alone can act as a deterrent, projecting power and signaling U.S. commitment to allies and partners around the world. For those less familiar with naval concepts, the Delbert D. Black can be thought of as a floating command and control hub that can fight in multiple dimensions simultaneously. It can launch missiles hundreds of miles away, detect enemy aircraft before they become threats, track submarines moving beneath the waves, and coordinate with helicopters and other ships to create a layered defensive and offensive network. Its design represents decades of lessons learned from previous conflicts and peacetime operations, resulting in a ship that is not just powerful, but also intelligent and adaptable. Visually, the ship is impressive. The angular superstructure, radar arrays, and missile launchers give it a futuristic, high-tech appearance. The sleek hull reduces drag, allowing for efficient movement through the water, while the deck layout is optimized for both operations and maintenance. When underway, the Delbert D. Black moves with a sense of purpose, and its array of antennas and sensors underscores the ship's dual role as a warfighter and an intelligence-gathering platform. In terms of modern relevance, DDG-119 is poised to play a critical role in multinational operations, particularly in regions where the United States seeks to maintain freedom of navigation or respond to emerging threats. Its combination of speed, firepower, and technological sophistication makes it a cornerstone of modern naval strategy, capable of operating independently or as part of a larger strike group. Its missile defense capabilities, particularly against ballistic missiles, are increasingly important in a world where missile threats are proliferating, making the ship not only a tool of war but also of strategic deterrence. In conclusion, the USS Delbert D. Black DDG-119 is an exceptional example of modern naval engineering and combat capability. Its combination of stealthy design, advanced sensors, multi-layered weapons systems, high speed, and survivability make it one of the most formidable surface combatants in the world. Beyond its technical specifications, the ship embodies the values and legacy of its namesake, Delbert D. Black, and represents the cutting edge of U.S. naval power. For anyone fascinated by naval technology, military strategy, or the future of maritime operations, the Delbert D. Black offers an unparalleled glimpse into the capabilities of a modern destroyer, and it is poised to serve as a key asset in maintaining security and projecting power across the globe for decades to come.